Welcome back to another epic episode on Maxi channel. Sit back, relax, and enjoy this one.
Das kann nicht wahr sein, ne? Noch nicht mal geblinkt. Das ist nicht zu glauben, so mal.
Just as it looked like one of those chill and calm rides, it turned out to be the complete opposite. These dogs made sure to let the biker know that he was not welcome in their territory.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Ah, é sério isso. É sério. É sério isso.
Pay close attention at the driver in front. He started to turn right as soon as indicated, but indicating does not give you the right of way.
Oh, weón.
Biker's rear wheel partly locked and therefore he had no proper grip on the ground. It all happened because he shifted down a gear and did not match the speed.
Sinyal ver ya. Abi 3 şerit değiştiriyorsun sinyalsiz ve özür dilemiyorsun, el kol yapıyorsun bana.
Görmedim diyorum, görmedim seni. Göremedim yani o yüzden.
İşte 3 şerit değiştirdiğin için göremiyor zaten. 3 şerit değiştirdiğin için göremiyorsun tek seferde.
Yabancısı olduğu için yanımda yaptım ama göremedim seni.
Eyvallah, biraz daha dikkat et.
As soon as he indicated, this crazy driver began his lane switching maneuver. I think that biker's pants changed to brown color after that experience.
Porra, tchau. Tio, égua, mano. Porra, assim. Poxa, vai me matar do coração, velho. Vai doida.
V-a făcut ceva, domnul? Bună ziua. V-a făcut ceva, domnul? Ce v-a făcut?
M-a bătut și vreau să mă duc acasă la mine, la Pucheni.
Dar ce are cu dumneavoastră? Că vă că iară vine. Ce are cu dumneavoastră? Că vă că iară vine.
Nu dau.
Cum?
Nu dau. Vreau să mă duc acasă la mine, la Pucheni și m-a bătut și m-a dus să prind microfonul.
Ok.
I-a mânat pe mine, mai primeam pe toți.
From what I can understand, it came to a family dispute, and this woman ran away from her husband. Biker came across her at the side of the road, and as she was explaining her situation, her husband came running after her.
Bă, omule, lasă-o în pace.
De ce?
Lasă-o în pace.
De ce?
Nu mai pune mâna pe ea, lasă-o în pace. Bă, tu n-auzi să o lasi în pace? Lasă-o în pace. Dacă mai pui mâna pe ea, chem poliția.
De ce?
Bă, tu n-auzi? Ce? Dar ce te interesează pe tine 500? De ce o bați?
N-am pățit.
Nu, și de ce trăgeai de ea? De ce trăgeai de ea? Că am și filmare.
N-am tras de ea. Și am zis și să stai liniștită, că vinea nepotul meu ne ducea acasă.
Bine, lasă-o să ducă cum vrea, nu mai trage de ea. Ce idios, doamne. Trăgea de săraca femeie. Ce? Ce, mă?
Eu sunt să duc, eu nu i-am făcut nimic. Ea s-a supărat și îmi trebuia să plece acasă, înțelegi? Și a zis că vine nepotul meu.
Așa.
Cu mașina.
This situation was not Biker's problem at all, but he found himself there, and he just wanted to make sure that these guys don't hurt the women.
Nu înțeleg de ce trăgea de femeia aia.
De ce? De ce? E nevasta mea. Da.
Și de ce tragi de ea? Asta nu-ți dă niciun drept să tragi de ea.
Stai de vorbă.
Bă, omule, du-te, mă, că tu n-ai nicio treabă, mă. Poftim?
Poliția o știe cine este.
Vrei să chem poliția?
O știe cine e.
Dar puțin îmi pasă.
Chemăm, lasă. Are și ia vină. Ia taci, ia tu-te. Ia tu-te pe bărăuță. Du-te acasă.
Stați puțin aici.
Ce?
Ce?
Ce să faci?
Ce țipă la ea așa cum, mă? Iară vine moșul la mine, mă? Ia că vine moșul.
Poliția!
Whatever issues you may have in your marriage, if you're not able to overcome them together with your spouse, you should divorce and never resort to force like this guy here.
E și 14, dacă la și 15 nu i-ai dat drum, am sunat poliția.
Nu te compari cu mine.
N-am voie să intru la ea în curte. Mai aveți 30 de secunde, dacă nu sun la poliție. Îi spui să-i dea drumul sau sun la poliție acum? Sunt și eu, stai liniștit, dă-i drumul. Omule, am filmare cum mă băteai în stradă, dacă nu-i dai drumul, mă duc la poliție acum. Google Maps. Vedem și noi pe unde ne aflăm acum.
Umble cu toți bărbații. Ascultați-mă. Nu, e băsa acolo, e băsuca, ascultați-mă pe mine. Nu e chiar stabil. Că nu te lăsăm cu un moment în senină așa. Ce atentă?
Ei de pula mea.
4 bărbați atunci, 4.
4 a ținut? 4 a ținut, a?
All hell broke loose when she tried to escape. Check it out. This case is already supposed to be in the care of the police. You cannot hold someone hostage and against their own will like these guys here.
Ia mâna după ea.
Unde-i băgatul?
Ia mâna după ea. Bă,
His wife apparently changed his phone password and she took some stuff from him, which he wanted back. He called the police first to report her, but honestly, this is just a lame excuse to hold someone against their own will.
tu n-au... Plecă, du-te.
Nu vine acum poliția! Lasă-mă că vine poliția! Lasă-mă că eu lasă-mă!
Bă, omule, lasă-mi pace! Bună ziua!
Hai să ne dăm drum, să nu dea vreo mașină. Dă mai departe, că n-am luat totul. Hai zi-mi ce s-a întâmplat, ce a apărat, ce problemă.
Ce-am? Mi-a băgat cod pe telefon.
Cine?
Acum, Liliana.
Liliana cine? Sofia ta?
Da.
Mi-a băgat cod pe telefon.
Da, așa. Și bam 1 milion să-i dau la abonament. Dăm ca și îi dau așa. Eu m-am niște lucruri la ea.
Da, mă, mai sunat la unul de cât a făcut cod la telefon?
Da?
Finally, the police came over and calmed the situation down. They took statements from everyone, and the biker even offered them his video footage as a solid proof of this woman being forcefully held by her husband. Unfortunately, we don't have any updates about the situation and what happened afterwards. This biker Santa was out for a ride, and he almost got hit by this careless driver who cut him off. The lady didn't even bother looking at all. Guess the Santa now knows who wasn't a good girl this year. No present for you, lady.
I couldn't hear you. Do you know how fast I was going? How fast was I going? That guy was talking to me.
This driver pulled out way too much in front of the biker. The biker had to sit on his horn to prevent him from completely going out onto the road. This biker got almost hit by a driver who tried to take his right of way. The driver managed to stop in the last moment. Watch. Cyclist got scared of bikers who were coming his way, so he got off his bicycle just in case. This looks hilarious.
My calls, tap all jaws, lay down laws. We take it with jaws, we do jokes, rust the doors. Here come the D's.
He's like, dude, he heard us coming up and he panics and he goes, what the
A fire broke out near the highway, and the smoke was really wild. It looked like a scene from a horror movie as the biker passed through thick smoke and ashes. Check it out. It came to a T-bone crash between a biker and a truck driver. This is what happens when you don't look while making a turn.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
This cyclist appeared behind a parked bus and he tried to cross the road without looking. Well, let's just say that it stayed on an attempt to cross the road.
It's too late to apologize. It's too late.
are you not paying attention at the oncoming traffic while pulling out, my guy? Do you really want someone to get that badly injured? It just takes a second or two to look, man. I mean, it's not that demanding. The road after the rain is bikers' number one enemy. Luckily, this biker didn't get injured.
Woo! Oh,
As the biker said it himself in the beginning of the video, roundabouts are good if people know how to use them. Unfortunately, the driver in this clip, well, you be the judge.
Oh, so it's always fun like this trying to go through when there's cars coming.
The biker in this clip lost control of his bike and ended up off the road. Luckily for him, he landed in a huge grass and didn't injure himself. In this situation, the truck driver was completely in the opposite lane and he went head-to-head with the biker at the curve. Luckily, he couldn't drive fast because the curve was sharp and the biker managed to easily move to the side.
Unbelievable, same spot. Are you kidding me?
Are you kidding me?
This crazy driver tried to purposely cut the biker off. As soon as the biker honked, the driver pulled back to his own lane. This biker spotted a small turtle on the road, so he stopped to help it cross the road.
You don't want to be there, little buddy. Yeah, kickstand down. Hazards on. Hey, little guy. Hey, little guy! Oh, wow, you're fast. Kind of fast. Alright, yeah, that's alright. Just go into the grass, get out of the road. That's alright, give you a little bump. Turtle! Alright, come on, turtle power, all the way down. Woo! Sliding for it. Good work, turtle. Okay, stay out of the road. Don't play in traffic. That's my job. Yay!
This biker experienced a nasty death wobble, and at high speed as well. Somehow, he managed to stay calm in this dangerous situation. Watch. Biker noticed a little boy who was quite fond of his bike, so he decided to pull over for some friendly chat. He even let him rev it. Props to this cool biker.
Oh no, I gotta do stronger.
One more time.
Oh yes. Alright, have a good day.
In this situation, the biker was forced to the shoulder by this reckless BMW driver.
Oh my goodness. Holy cow, I've never seen that before. These are wild turkeys.